Welcome to Tuesday of week 11. So we're doing vegetarian this week. So today we have a mixed bean casserole. And for the casserole, what we will need to make is parboil the sweet potatoes. So you can use regular potatoes too. So I'm using sweet potatoes. So we'll parboil these and then we'll decorate it when we put it into a casserole. So the dish is baked in a casserole at about 400 degrees. We have three types of beans today. So we have butter beans, black beans and garbanzo. You can use any one, any beans that you want. And then we have some mushrooms sliced. So these are white mushrooms sliced. We have some shallots, some herbs, thyme and marjoram. And then for the sauce, what we have is some butter, and we'll put it in here, all in here. So we don't need to heat it, just put it in here and then we will heat it. So we need some butter. We have some flour. Instead of normal flour, I'm using almond flour. We have some sugar. So this is a hot, sour, sweet sort of a sauce. We'll add the tomato sauce in here. Ketchup. And then in this we have sherry, apple cider vinegar and soy sauce. So we'll put all of these in. We'll mix it together as we heat it and then bring it to a boil, and then we'll drain the beans, we'll put it in and the rest of the ingredients. And then we'll cook it in that sauce. It doesn't have to cook fully because it will be we'll be baking it. This is a sauce mixture. So we are whisking everything together. The butter will slowly melt. Salt in here. And then we'll parboil the potatoes. We don't need to, maybe 3-4 minutes we'll do it. So we lowered the heat after it came to a boil. We're going to add rest of the ingredients. So this is apple juice, some shallots. These are the mushrooms. We'll put the beans in here. So three types of beans: butter beans, black beans, and then we have garbanzo. We want it a little juicy but not as much. So we'll reduce it and then we will add the herbs in here. Then let's check on the potatoes. So these are pliable, as you can see. These are done. So we'll take them out and drain it. As you can see, this has thickened up, so we'll add the thyme and the marjoram, shut off the gas, and then mix it together. The way I want to put these potatoes in are in layers. So this is a casserole. We'll put some olive oil on top of the potatoes, and then we'll cover it and bake it in the oven. So we'll bake for about 40 minutes covered, and then 20 minutes uncovered. The casserole has been in the oven for 40 minutes. Cooked it covered, and then we're going to remove the cover. And we'll cook it uncovered for another 20 minutes. That's the sweet and sour mixed bean casserole. So we baked it for 40 minutes, then opened it up, opened the cover up, baked it for another 20 minutes. So you can see the potatoes crisping up a little bit. Put in some herbs, some marjoram, and thyme, and that's the dish. So to serve it, we'll just spoon it onto a plate, and you can have it with a little bit of sour cream, and that's all you need. It's really hearty, really good dish to try. It's easy to make. You can do it on a weeknight as well. So please try. Let us know if you have. Thank you for watching. Have a great night. Bon appetit, and see you tomorrow with another vegetarian dish.